Okay, today I'm in San Pedro, Belize, and I just want to talk about the Garifuna restaurant. It's the Black and White Cultural Education Center. It's also a restaurant. So apparently what happened is, you see their signs are out there at the road. That's their yellow sign. And apparently this guy right here, he's wanting to buy their property, so he put up a recycling shipping container in front of their restaurant. Here is their restaurant. It's right behind the shipping container. It was very good. We came and ate here earlier. It has traditional Belizean food, and you want to keep people like this in business. So we want to let you know that it's right behind S&P Hardware in right across the street from S&P Hardware in San Pedro, Belize. Right behind this place, which is called the Diamond Boutique Bed and Breakfast.